Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the file and permissions. First, make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later and Shortcuts is installed. This lets you create personal automations. Next, import the custom lock sound into files or export from GarageBand as a M4A or WAV. This matters because Shortcuts needs a playable file. Then open Shortcuts, tap Automation, and choose Create Personal Automation. Once there, select a trigger that represents locking the phone. We'll use a practical workaround in the next step. You now build the actual automation. If Shortcuts lacks a direct lock trigger, pick a reliable proxy, like app that opens on lock or battery level change combined with sleep routines. Once done, tap Add Action and search for Play Sound or Play Music and choose the imported file. Make sure to set volume inside the action if needed. Finally, disable Ask before running so the sound plays automatically. Once configured, test by invoking the chosen trigger to confirm the sound fires. You finish by validating and troubleshooting. Test the automation multiple times and watch for playback issues. If you hear nothing, increase the action volume, confirm the file is M4A/WAV and ensure Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode isn't blocking playback. If the automation doesn't run, open Settings, right arrow Shortcuts and grant permissions, and confirm the file remains in Files and hasn't been moved. If automation triggers are too limited, create a home screen shortcut or widget that plays the same sound as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.